Hi guys, this is Stan here with you. Welcome back to another vlog, and today we are going to talk about Apple's battery replacement program. And before we get to that, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get future notifications automatically. Coming to the battery replacement program, you all would have been aware of Apple's iPhone throttling issue that happened few months back. In response to that, Apple responded by giving iPhone users a battery replacement opportunity at a much discounted rate. So, for example, an iPhone battery that cost 8,000 rupees is now just 2,000 rupees, and this is valid only till December 31st, 2018. After that, they'll increase the prices of the batteries. So so in this test we have three phones. We have the iPhone 8, we have the iPhone 6 Plus, and we have iPhone 6. How do you know that whether you need to replace your batteries or not? So I had an issue with my iPhone 6 Plus, and the issue was that once the battery reduces to 15%, it automatically reboots or it automatically shuts down. And there is also an issue with sluggishness in its performance, and this was only after I did an iOS update. The whole issue cropped up because iPhone users started facing this throttling issue after an update on the iPhones. So now all the affected models are from iPhone 6 and upwards, all the newer models after iPhone 6. In this, Apple has offered to replace the battery, not free of cost. Obviously, it's if you're under warranty or you have an extended warranty like Apple Care Plus, Apple will replace the batteries at no cost to you. It's absolutely free. It's only when you're out of warranty that Apple charges you, and that also they charge you now in this replacement program. They charge you at a very minimum cost. In US, I think they charge $29. That is equivalent to 2,000 rupees. That's the same amount they charge even here in India. So that's pretty cool what Apple has done for Apple users in India. So how do you identify if you need to replace the batteries on your iPhone? So the first issue is your iPhone automatically shuts down or reboots after going, like if it goes down 15% and then your battery or iPhone shuts down, it means you have an issue with your battery. Okay, and suppose you do not have this issue. Some people keep recharging their batteries, like as soon as it reaches 50% or 35%, they might recharge it. So you might not face this issue. So you'll never know if you have this issue or not. How can you find out if you need to replace your battery? There's a simple way. Just all you have to do is upgrade your OS to the latest iOS from the software updates, and once you do that, you'll get an extra option, a new option that's called battery. Inside that, you'll have something known as battery health. Go to that, and if you see your battery percentage, if it's less than 100%, like if you see mine is 76%, if it is that, it means you'll have to replace your battery. Now if you see a phone that does not have any issues like the iPhone 8 here, if you do the same thing, if you go to settings and if you go to battery and you go to battery health, you'll see that it is 100%. This means that this iPhone 8 has no issues with its battery, so you don't have to replace the battery in this case. Now if you see this iPhone 6 here, it's not updated to the latest firmware. So if you see the options here, there is no battery option here at all, because it's on an older iOS. There's also another way to check your battery's health, and that is by going to the App Store and downloading an app called Battery Life. There's an app here called Battery Life. Just download this app and check the wear level option. See, mine is very high here. It means there's an issue with this battery. This is the iPhone 6 Plus. This has an issue, and you can easily find out from this app that this needs replacement. So the Battery Life app is a good app. That's also a good way to find out if your battery is worn out or not. Now if you see the iPhone 8 here with the same app, it shows a perfect score here. It shows perfect, means the battery is in perfect health condition. So you can see here both. This is iPhone 6 Plus on the left side, and this is the iPhone 8. The iPhone 8's battery is good, so that's perfect. And this is worn out pretty badly. So the iPhone 6 Plus needs to replace its battery, and I've done it. I've gone to the authorized service center and booked for my new battery. The batteries take about 15 days to come to the service, so you need to visit the service center twice. First to book your complaint, and they'll place an order for your battery, and then the battery will come to 15 days, and then you can replace the battery. With them, they take about 1 to 2 hours to replace the battery on your phone. I'll leave the authorized service center's contact list and addresses in the description below, so that it will be helpful for you guys here in India. Please do contact them as soon as possible, because 31st December 2018 is the last deadline for the batteries. The batteries now cost just 2000 rupees, that's it. And once you cross the deadline, I think they'll increase the prices to 3500 rupees. Even that is much less than the actual cost of the batteries, which is 8000 rupees. So this is just a little heads up for all the iPhone users in India. Please do take this opportunity to upgrade your batteries at the right time. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you did like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe, and press bell icon, so that you get future notifications automatically on the new uploads. Thank you, guys. Bye. Ciao.